When you leave a farm, you don't have to leave your roots.
Everybody's been dying to get into this house, and they finally, now that it's finally open, they're delighted to be here to see it. Most kitchens and most houses were outside because fire was the major concern for everybody. But since this was an inn and a tavern, the kitchen was inside, and we think that this would have been the dining room for the guests who stayed here too. But there are two itty bitty little rooms on this side, and the big room right here that we're in. Don't know if they were bedrooms, maybe they could have been children's bedrooms or just bedrooms, and this would have been the rest of the living space for the family.